Welcome to the new tutorial on how to display image in uh, in a web page. First of all, just right click on your screen and go to new text document. Give it some name. Let's say I want to give it a name as image file. Double click on it. Now write down the first tag, that is HTML, and closing tag followed by a single slash. Now we have to write the image tag, which is image source, equals to double quotes, and in this double quotes I will have to write the image file path or the location of the image file. So here is my image file. I will right click on it and I'll go to properties, and I will copy this location and put it between the inverted commas. I'll paste it here, and now I have to find the extension of this file, that is .jpg. So I will write image name, that is /2 dot jpg, so that it could be displayed in your browser. Now save this file. I'll go to save as image dot. I'll save it with image dot html extension. Now I will just double click here and my image will be displayed here, right on your screen. Now just right click on this image file, this file, and open it with notepad again, and let's say I want to create the alternate text for it. For that I will write alt equals to no image found or no image available. Now I want to make a mistake in my image file. Let's say I will write 552.jpg. This image is not available at this location, so the alt text will be displayed on the screen, that is no image available. To demonstrate this, let's save this file and run this file again, and it is giving you no image available. So my code is working fine. Now what I have to do, let's say that is my original image comes again. Now let's say I want to put more images to my web page, so I will copy this and paste it several times so that I can make more images on the web page. So the name of next image is 4.jpg and 22.jpg and 23.jpg. I just opened my web page and see there is error message, no image available for rest of the files. Let's see what's the error. That 24.jpg is not available. This image is not found in my location, and only that 4.jpg is available. I just correct the code with 4 and refresh it, and the image is available right now. And the other one is 22.jpg is not jpg file, it's png file. The extension of this file is not jpg but png, so I have to write png instead of jpg, and same is the case with image number 23. I will save it and run this file, and see all the images are on your screen right now. Now I want to resize my images. Let's say I want to make it the more sizable all the images to same size. So I will write style image and I will go for the height attribute and give it a size of 520 within double quotes, and the width attribute and give it the size 420 within double quotes, and refresh the image, and the size is a bit more than the previous one. Let's say I want to change the size to 120. The 120 is not looking better, so I change it to 520 again. To be looking clear, let's say I want to make it 400 by 400. So now this looks better. Now I will copy this code, the style image, and I will paste it on all the images so that it could be looking cool. Refresh it. Now the size of all the images of Sam. That's all about today's tutorial. Thank you for watching Nelson Darwin PogTech, and do not forget to comment, like and subscribe to our channel Nelson Darwin PogTech, and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of newly coming videos. Thank you.